Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Razer Hammerhead HyperSpeed wireless headphones and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your PC by Bluetooth. At first you have to click on this Windows icon and then open settings. Then click devices and click a Bluetooth or other device. Then click on Bluetooth and now open your headphones case. After that, make sure to triple tap your touch sensor so that you can be in your Bluetooth connection mode. And after a while, you should be connected to your headphones. It may take a while, so don't worry. If we can't find our headphones, we have to click cancel and then do the same. As you can see, our headphones are over here. We have to click on it. And now we are done. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.